Hey guys, Alex from Central Floor Enthusiasts, and today we're covering an Iron Gwazi construction update. So let's go. Anyways, guys, this is Alex checking out. We saw a lot of stuff. We saw a lot of guys torquing down bolts. We see that there's now a train on the track. Once again, every shot here was filmed inside the park. That picture, that shot of Gwazi was actually shot in queue for Gwazi gliders. So yeah, it's looking absolutely amazing. Don't forget, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more updates from Iron Gwazi. Hopefully the next one will be of track completion. Anyways, guys, this is Alex with Central Floor Enthusiasts. Bye.